Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a great week. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes of your day watching my video. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I'm going to go through the Kinder Beauty box for the month of May. Today's video is sponsored by Kinder Beauty, and I'm really excited because last month I partnered with them to share their April box, and a lot of you guys loved the video. You were really curious about the subscription and you wanted to see more on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go through the May box and we'll see what's inside together. So if you guys missed that video or you haven't heard of Kinder Beauty, it is a new cruelty-free vegan subscription box. So it was founded by Daniela Monet and Ivana Lynch, and they created it to help people transition into using more cruelty-free beauty products. So if you've been wanting to go cruelty-free, this might be a good way to, start trying some cruelty-free and vegan products. The box is $24 a month. You can actually pay a little bit less if you sign up for like a longer subscription, just like most subscriptions, but they do ship internationally, which is amazing because I know a lot of my international subscribers cannot get the boxes that I feature on my channel. It's free shipping within the US, and then you pay $5.95 to ship internationally, so you can get your hands on it, which I love. But you get over $70 worth of products. They include a mix, so you can get makeup, skincare, hair care, and last month we got a lot of skincare products. I'm excited to see what we got this month. If you guys like this box, you can actually get the May box as your first one. I'll put a link in the description box below. Click that link and enter the code Andrea, and you'll actually get a free item that will ship out with your first box. So anyways, let's jump into it. I'm excited to see what's inside, and we'll see what the products are like. So when you open it up, there is a little card on top, and then all of the products are right below it. Okay, the first thing in here is a vanilla bean sugar scrub. It comes in a little jar. This is by the brand BOMBEE.co, and it says that it is a vegan, cruelty-free bath company with products made in the US. I do really like sugar scrubs, especially during the spring and the summer when you're wearing like short sleeves and shorts. I just like to make sure that my skin is really exfoliated. Oh, this smells so good. This smells like vanilla cookie dough. It kind of looks like cookie dough too. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it to the back of my hand. I am going to test out all of the products because I'm filming this video like a day or two before it goes live. So I'll test everything and pin a comment at the top of the comment section and let you guys know what I thought about the products, like my first impressions. I did that last month and a lot of you guys seem to like that. So it feels nice. It's not overly abrasive. Like the sugar is like a fine, gritty texture. So it feels nice. I mean, it's a little bit more beneficial to use it in the shower when your skin is wet, but I'm excited to use this. It smells amazing. And with sugar scrubs, I find that I can make them last a long time. The next thing in here is a makeup brush. You guys know that I love getting makeup brushes in my subscription boxes. I honestly don't really buy makeup brushes anymore at this point because I've gotten so many good ones in subscription boxes, so I love when they include them. This is by the brand MOTD. I don't think I've tried any of their brushes. This one is their Get Cheeky With It brush. So this is a really nice, like soft angled brush. You could totally use this to apply contour, bronzer, blush. I even use brushes like this sometimes to apply highlight if I just want like a soft diffused effect. But because it is synthetic, because of course it's vegan, it would be really nice for cream products, but of course you could use it for powder products too. So I'm excited to try it out. I honestly love getting brushes so much. It's just always fun for me. The next thing in here is by the brand CLOVE and HALLOW. It is a HYDRATINT. Oh, I hope it's a makeup product. I think it is because I got the shade Nakey. I'm assuming that's the shade name. Okay, so the back of the box says that it is an ultra blendable blush serum infused with meadow foam oil and hyaluronic acid. Oh, it looks like a nail polish. Good thing I actually read the back of the box because I totally would have worn this as a nail polish. I would love to wear this color as a nail polish, but it is a blush serum, which sounds really interesting. So it says shake before use, apply directly to the cheeks and blend with your fingertips. You guys, I've been wearing cream cheek products more lately, and I don't even know who I am because I used to be all about powder products, but I think cream cheek products look so beautiful, so natural on the skin, especially if they're in like a little bit more of a natural color, and this one looks like it will work really well for my skin tone. So I just applied a little bit. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Okay, so that's pretty subtle. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. I prefer a little bit more of a subtle cheek color, but we'll just see if it can be built up. For those of you that might prefer something a little bit more pigmented, it can definitely be built up, as you guys can see. This is an interesting texture. It's very soft, very smooth. It feels creamy, but it actually blends into the skin really nicely. So I think it's going to give you a little bit more of like a very subtle flushed effect rather than being super intense like a true cream blush, which I actually prefer. Cream blushes can be a little bit intimidating for me just because I'm not really used to using them. So I can go in with a heavy hand and all of a sudden I have like a super intense blush application. But because this is so soft and lightweight, it just blends out really nicely on the skin. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm always intimidated by cream products, but when they're a little bit thinner, it makes them a little bit easier to use. This would probably go on really nicely with the brush that we got too. That's probably why they included both of them. So let me just try using the brush too to kind of blend it out. So I typically use my fingers with cream cheek products, but I feel like brushes, like that was so fast. That was so much more effortless than using my fingers. We actually got a little mini deodorant by the brand ZIONHEALTH. This one is their clay dry deodorant. We did get a full-size deodorant last month, which was nice. I honestly love trying natural deodorants. I don't know, like I feel like I'm not too hard to please. Like a lot of people are very picky when it comes to natural deodorant, but I feel like a lot of them work very well for me. So I love trying new brands. It says no aluminum, vegan. It's made with arrowroot powder, coconut oil, shea butter. So yeah, it definitely has more natural ingredients in it. I haven't tried this brand. This is probably my favorite scented deodorant. It has like the perfect citrus floral blend. It's not overly fruity or overly citrus. It just smells really, really good. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand just to see how it feels. So a lot of natural deodorants feel very hydrating. So I find the best way to apply them is to apply them and then rub them in, but they're definitely a different texture. They don't feel drying on the skin. This one actually doesn't feel overly hydrating, which is kind of nice. Sometimes, you know, you don't want to apply an overly hydrating formula to your underarms when it's hot out. So I hope that it's a little bit on the drier side. I will definitely try it out. It smells so good. This is just their original scent. And then there's one last product in here. This one comes in a cute little bag. This is by the brand AKAR. Okay, so I read the card. These are like a little luxurious skin duo. The toning mist is meant to protect your skin from environmental pollution. It's supposed to rejuvenate. It's made with vegan stem cells, which sounds really interesting. And it's supposed to be very soothing, very calming, as is the oil. The oil is supposed to kind of balance your skin, reduce redness, reduce irritation, and just supposed to be very gentle and very soothing on the skin. My skin is very easily irritated, so I will definitely try these out and let you guys know if I do find them to be very calming and very gentle. I love trying new skincare products, so I'm looking forward to it. Okay, that is everything we got in the May box. I am personally most excited about this HYDRATINT. It sounds really interesting. The color is perfect for me, so I know that I'm going to be able to get use out of it. I've really been reaching for more cream products lately, so I'm hoping that it stays in place really well on my oily skin. It just seems like it's going to blend out well, and it seems like you can build it up if you want something a little bit more intense. And of course, I love that we got a brush. I think these two go really well together. Last month, we got a lot of skincare products, so it's nice that we got two makeup related products. Okay, guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to check out Kinder Beauty, I'll put a link in the description box below, and you can check it out and get the May box as your first box if this is something that you are interested in. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.